Guys, naliligaw po kami.
Sabi na, walang hanggan to eh.
Nasa may badyang po kami kanina. Meron po kaming nilikuan eh. Ngayon po, hindi na namin alam kung nasan kami. Izel, hamarap ka. Look at me.
I hate you.
Look at me. Tell me, where are we?
How did you know about you? Dito na pa yung kalawin.
This is very beautiful. Tintaw. Di pa makahapay na nga dito.
Ano mo pa ito?
Can you see the horse? Come on.
What's the horse?
Bilisan mo. You can see it later. Pag yun ayam. That's why we're going to Mapanas. Guys, this is paradise. Look at this place. Look at that, there's a dog there. I don't even know where we are.
I don't know.
Look at that.
Where's this place?
I don't know. But I know this place. I've been here before.
Parang kay Damating.
Look at that. Yung badyang, nandiyan tayo kanina. Yung sinagka natin kanina yan. Ay, kaya. See. What can you say about this place?
It's beautiful.
After the exhausting travel.
Beautiful, but I hate you because you fooled me.
Look at that, we can see a horse here. And I think this horse is a lonely one because she doesn't have any companion. This one is a native horse. This is not the one that we see in European horse. What?
What horse?
I don't know.
Can I touch it?
I don't know. Oh my goodness. This is paradise. This is what I'm talking about. Pero mapanas na ito paglugsong natin. Wow. Ang ganda dito, guys. Naligaw man kami. Hindi naman kami naligaw pero sinadya ko pumunta dito. Ang ganda dito. Look at the sky. It's beautiful here. I don't know. Kung sino pong may-ari ng kabayong yan, guys, paki-comment naman sa baba. Si Bordagol po. That's a kind of native horse.
Can I ride on it?
No, definitely not. Hindi siya sanay. Let's turn this thing off. Kasi kung lumugsong tayo, sasagyan naman ulit tayo dyan. Nandiyan po kami kanina, dyan sa bundok na yan. Oh. That's Badyang, guys. Meaning, andito na yung Mapanas sa baba. Wow. This is amazing. Wonderful.